Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do spatial scene on your iPhone. So let's get started. So very first thing is that this is a newer feature. So if you haven't updated your phone, you want to go into your setting, general, software update, and make sure you update to the latest version, specifically iOS 26. Now, once you have updated to the newest version, you're going to open up the Photos app. And then you're going to find a photo that's a good candidate for a spatial scene. Usually for a photo to work, you want basically a background and a front picture. So like, for example, this picture has a portrait mode and there's a background, right? If you see it right here, you'll see an icon now that appears, which is spatial scene. In order to apply it, you just simply tap on it and your iPhone will automatically apply that. As you can see here, I have applied it just like that. So that's how you would do it as well. So here, we'll pick another photo just to give you an example, right? Another thing you might need to do is sometimes if the live is off, if it's a live photo, you may not see this. So you may need to turn off live. And then after that, you can go ahead and apply and you'll see it taking spatial effect. Some photos are good for spatial scene, other may not. So if you see a photo that you don't see the icon, it may just not be able to be applied to it. So you'll see here another example here I can use on this one. Again, see, you can see here the filter that's being applied. And after that, you can have the spatial scene effect on it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.